Hello student, welcome you all. In today's session, we discuss the topic about graphics functions and standard, and second one is latest trends in computer graphics. Before that, we discussed in the previous lecture is plasma display. The plasma display or plasma panel are also called as gas discharge display. It consists of array of small lights. There is four components. First one is a cathode, second anode, third fluorescent cell, fourth one is a glass plates. In cathode and anode it is a electrodes, and the cathode it delivers negative voltage to gas cell, and anode it delivers positive voltage. Then third one is fluorescent cell. It consists of the small pocket of gas liquid. When the voltage is applied to this liquid, it emits light. That is, by applying the voltage between the electrode, the gas within the panel is behave as a divided into the tiny cell. Then these independent cells are made to glow by placing a voltage on it. And it emits a light. Then fourth one is the glass plates. These glass plates act as a capacitors, and the capacitor act as a capacitor. The voltage will be applied, the cell will glow continuously. Then the glow can be sustained by maintaining a high frequency alternating voltage of 90 volts. Then here is the working of plasma display. There are the electrode, there are two glass plates, and within the glass plates there is a one cell containing gases, and there is a gold electrodes. Okay. Then there is a vertical conducting ribbons and horizontal conducting ribbons in a glass plates, and if we apply the voltage in gas, this gas emits a light, means it provides light to our and display a plasma. Okay. Then here is the advantages and disadvantage. Then second point is the touch screen. So the touch screen, when you place a fingertip directly on the computer screen, touch screen accepts the input. Okay. Then in most touch screen devices, the sensors are used on the screen surface to detect the touch of a finger. Means here is the most of the devices is apply, or it works in a sensors, and these sensors are used on the your screen surface, which purpose for detecting purpose of touch of your finger. Then touch input can be recorded using optical and electrical method. There are two types of the touch technologies. First one is the resistive, and second one is the capacitive touch technology. In resistive touch technology are composed of two electrically conductive layer of thin metal film separated by tiny air gap. When pressure is applied to the surface of the touch screen, the two sheets are pressed together and circuit is completed. If we apply the pressure on the surface of your screen, then it pressed together. These two screens or these two layer is pressed together and the circuit is completed. Then the second one is the capacitive touch technology. In capacitive touch technology are coated with the transparent conductive film. When a fingertip comes into contact with the capacitive touch screen, it can use conductivity of the human body as means for the input. Means it take as a input the conductivity of the human body. This human body is this screens is take as a input. Okay. Then this known as the capacitive touch technology. In output, then third topic we discussed about the output primitives, line, polygon, marker and text. In the line there are having color, pen and brush options. There are different types of the line, that is the solid line, dashed line and dotted line. Then the polygon having 5 sides. Example, polygon with 5 sides is called as pentagon. Polygon named as after how many sides it has. It has 5 sides, and these 5 sides is called as a pentagon. Then text, in the text many text options that can be made available in graphics. Choice of the font and underline style. We have to underline the text, and we have to bold this text, italics this. These options are used for the font sizing, for changing the font sizing or changing the character sizing or changing the text size of our mm, text. Okay, then marker. And marked symbol is a single character that can be displayed in different colors and in different sizes. Then in today's topic is graphics functions and standards. Need for graphics standards. The need for portability of the geometric model among different hardware platforms, for exchanging of drawing database among software packages, need for exchanging graphics data between different computer systems. Means if we draw a picture or if we draw a line or character in our system or in our screen, then there is a packages is available to our system, that is this known as the graphics packages. And this graphics package is used to draw the picture and to draw a this graphics packages helps us to draw a line or draw a picture. Okay, then the types of the graphics standard. GKS, that is graphical kernel system. Then IGS, initial graphics exchange specification, core, etc. Here is the graphics functions and standards. These graphics functions are used in the program also. The first function is the circle. Circle function is used to draw a circle with center x and y, and the third parameter specified the radius of the circle. Okay, the declaration of the circle is white circle, int x, int y and int radius. Then close graph. The second one is the close graph. Close graph function closes the graphics mode and deallocates the all memory allocated by graphics system and restore the screen to the mode it was in before you called as init graph. Okay, the declaration is syntax is white close graph. Then third one is the draw poly. This function is used to draw polygons, that is the triangle, rectangle, pentagons, hexagon, etc. Syntax is white draw poly. The parameter is int num, comma, int asterisk poly points. Then ellipse. This ellipse is used to draw an ellipse. X and y are the coordinates of the center of the ellipse. The angle is a starting angle and end angle is the ending angle. Fifth and sixth parameters specify x and y radius of the ellipse. Here is the syntax of the wide ellipse. In wide ellipse there is parameter is int x, int y, int st angle, that is start angle, int end angle, that is ending the angle, int x radius and int y radius. Then next is the fill ellipse. Fill ellipse is the syntax is wide fill ellipse. The parameter is x, int y, int x radius and int y radius. This x and y are the coordinate of the center of the ellipse. X radius and y radius are the x and y radius of the ellipse respectively. Then the next one is the fill poly. Fill poly fills using current fill pattern and color which can be changed. fill poly fills using current fill pattern, and color which can be changed using set fill style. The syntax is white draw poly, parameter is int num int asterisk poly points. Then next one is the get bk color, that is the this function get bk color returns the current background color, and syntax is int get bk color function. Then next one is the get color. Get color function returns the current drawing color, and syntax is int get color. Then get image. Get image function saves a bit image of specified region into memory region, can be any rectangle. The syntax is white get image, parameter is int left top, int right, int bottom, wide asterisk bitmap. Then the next one is the get image. Get image copies an image from screen to memory, left right top bottom, define the area of the screen from which the rectangle is to be copied. Bitmap points to the area in memory where the bit image is stored. Then next one is the get pixel. Get pixel function returns a color of the pixel present at location xy, and the syntax is get int get pixel, and parameter is int x int y. Then next is the get x. This function get x returns the x coordinate of the current position, and syntax is int get x. Then next one is the get y. This function returns the y coordinate of current position, and syntax is int get y. Then line. Line function is used to draw a line from points x1 y1 to points x2 y2. That is x1 y1 and x2 y2 are end point of the line, and the syntax is wide int, and parameter is int x comma y, int x1 comma int y1 comma int x2 and int y2. Then next is the move to. Move to function changes the current position to next position, and the syntax is white move to, parameter is int x and int y. Then next one is the out text xy function. This function is display the text or string at a specified point xy on the screen, and the syntax is white out text xy, parameter is int x int y, character pointer string. Then here is the x and y are the coordinate of the point, and the third argument contains add of string to be displayed. Then next one is a put pixel. This function plot a pixel at location xy of specified color, and syntax is white put pixel, parameter is int x comma y comma int color. Then rectangle. Rectangle function is used to draw a rectangle, and syntax is white rectangle, int left right top and bottom. Then next one is the set bk color, that is set background color function changes the current background color, and syntax is white set bk color, and parameter is int color. Then last is the set color, white set color, and parameter is int color. This is used to set a color to our current color. Okay. Then the next point is the latest trends in computer graphics. Nowadays two words are amazing. Nowadays two words are making buzz around the computer graphics field, and these words are virtual reality and augmented reality. Then virtual reality is the use of the computer technology to create a simulated environment. Then, unlike traditional user interface, VR places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds. In the virtual reality, means a virtual reality is defined as the use of computer technology to create a simulated environments. When you view VR, that is virtual reality, you are viewing a completely different reality than the one in front of you. Means there is a virtual reality may be artificial, such as the animated scenes or an actual place that has been photographed and included in a virtual reality app. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds. Means आपल्याला एक ग्लास दिलं जातं आणि त्या ग्लासच्या जेव्हा तुम्ही ते ग्लास घालता तेव्हा त्या ग्लासमध्ये असं काही असतं जे रिअल वर्ल्डपेक्षा एकदम डिफरंट असतं आणि आपण ते व्हिज्युअलाइज करतो की त्याच वर्ल्डमध्ये आपण गेलो आणि त्यालाच काय म्हणतात तर व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटी म्हणतात. मीन्स व्हर्च्युअल इज डिफरंट, ते जग वेगळंच असतं बट आपण त्या व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटीमध्ये जातो ते सनग्लासेस घातल्यानंतर. इथं तुम्हाला एक इमेज दाखवते मी. This is the here is a sunglass or here is a glass. This glass is by using this glass we animated or we just behave as a in a virtual reality. ओके, म्हणजे आपण ते ग्लासेस घातल्यानंतर आपण त्या जगाच्यातून तिथेच असल्यासारखं बिहेवियर करतो, त्याला म्हणतो व्हर्च्युअल रियालिटी. देन instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds, and these users is able to interact with 3D worlds, that is such as the animation scenes जे असतात त्या ॲनिमेशन सीन्सची आपण इंटरॅक्ट करायला लागतो आणि त्या 3D वर्ल्ड्सशी आपण इंटरॅक्ट होतो by wearing these glasses. Then by simulating as many senses as possible such as vision, hearing, touch, even smell, the computer is transformed into a gatekeeper to these artificial worlds. तो ग्लास किंवा ते ग्लास घातल्यानंतर आपल्याला इव्हन आपण ते ऐकू शकतो, टच करू शकतो, स्मेलसुद्धा करू शकतो आणि दिस कम्प्युटर इज ट्रान्सफर्ड इन टू ए गेट कीपर टू दिस आर्टिफिशियल वर्ल्ड्स. त्या वर्ल्डमध्ये आपण जाऊन त्यांच्यासारखे बिहेव करू लागतो किंवा तिथे असल्यासारखं बिहेव करू लागतो. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज द augmented reality. Augmented reality means a reality is defined as an enhanced version of reality created by the use of the technology to add digital information on an image of something. AR is used in apps for smartphones and tablets. AR apps use your phone's camera to show you a view of real world in front of you and then put a layer of information including text and image on top of that view. Means AR is used in this AR. The AR apps use your phone's camera, and then this AR apps show us or show you a view of real world in front of you, then put a layer of information including text and image on top of that view. त्या व्ह्यूची जे इन्फॉर्मेशन असणार आहे आणि इन्क्लुडिंग टेक्स्ट असू दे किंवा इमेजेस असू दे, ते सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला तो व्ह्यू करून दाखवतो किंवा त्या इमेजवरती त्या पिक्चरवरती आपल्याला तो दाखवतो. ओके, देन ए लाईव्ह व्ह्यू ऑफ ए फिजिकल रिअल वर्ल्ड एन्व्हायरमेंट augmented by computer generated sensory input such as sound, action or graphics in terms of augmented reality. Here is one picture. This is a augmented reality picture. Means this augmented apps is used your camera, and this camera is show you a view of this clear view of this picture in a real world, and show you a information or and the text or any information, that is this camera show you a image on the top of that view. Okay, then the augmented reality must have the following three characters. First one, it combines a real and virtual world. B, it is interactive in real time. C, it is registered in 3D. So augmented reality overlays a virtual object on real world environment. Okay, VR and augmented. VR replaces your vision and augmented reality adds to it. AR devices like as a Microsoft HoloLens and various enterprise level smart glasses are transparent, letting you see everything in front of you as if you are wearing a big pair of sunglasses. Okay, this VR and AR, that is virtual and augmented reality, is completely different to each other. Augmented reality is VR replaces your vision and augmented reality adds to it. Means VR आपल्याला व्हिज्युअलाइज करतो डिफरंट वर्ल्डशी आणि augmented रियालिटी हा ॲड करतो. म्हणजेच काय, बाय यूजिंग augmented रियालिटी आपण तो त्याची इन्फॉर्मेशन बघू शकतो, रिअल वर्ल्डशी इंटरॅक्ट करून देतो augmented रियालिटी. ओके, then here is the session is closed. So our chapter is also closed. So if any doubt, please contact with me and clear this doubt. So thank you so much.